would you feel about your dad dating a 21-year-old?
I would support my father because
I feel angry and disappointed at the same time because
What are three things a man must have to date you?
And like, it's disgusting.
Ma'am, excuse me ma'am. Ma'am, pwede ka ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Ano lang, apat lang nakapot. Okay lang? Relationship lang. Okay lang? May we know what's your name and age?
My name is Shane. I'm 22.
Shane, you're very cute.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Okay, so here's the first question. How would you feel about your dad dating a 21-year-old?
Um, maybe I feel like betrayed because it's not normal and like it's disgusting.
Okay. Well, thank you for being honest with your, with her opinion, right? Okay, what are three things a man must have to date you?
Wow. Oh my gosh, the question. Hmm. I think being kind, gentleman, and simple.
Are you single?
Yes, I'm single.
How long have you been single?
3 months.
3 months. Okay. You're 22, still in college, right?
Yes, yes,
Do
yes.
we know what's your course?
Rad Tech in USI.
Hi. Excuse me. Sorry. Pwede ka mo ma-interview? Nag-vlog kami. Kahit 2 minutes lang. Ano lang? What is your name and age?
I'm Sha May. I'm 24 years old.
How are you tonight?
Well, I'm quite nervous right now, but thank you very much for asking. I'm quite good.
Well, here's the first question. How would you feel about your dad dating a 21-year-old?
Well, I don't want to think about it, but if there are some, but if it might happen to me, I guess I feel quite angry at him because I grew up in a happy family, so but I don't want to think about it right now. I'm so sorry.
How old is your father?
54.
54 years old. Okay. But let's say, just an example, okay? Does the age bothers you because she is 21-year-old dating your father?
Maybe yes, because I'm 24 years old right now, and my father is 54 years old. So 21 years old is quite young for a 54 years old. It's just my opinion. So
That's your opinion. How about this one? What is your opinion or your thoughts when you see a couple with a big age gap?
well, for other people, I think it's okay because it's the relationship naman. So I don't have any opinion in regards to that. It's just for my father.
Your father. Okay. Okay, this one. What are three things a man must have to date you?
Oh, well, right now, I really don't think about being in a relationship. But three three standards.
Three things.
Three things. That a guy must have. For qualities na lang. So for man qualities, I think I want a guy who is intelligent and kind and humble. Yes.
Okay. If you were attracted to an older man who's over 20 years older, would you consider dating him?
If I really love the man, maybe yes.
You're 21, right?
At 24.
24 years old. You're graduate?
Yes.
Okay. May we know what's your job if it's okay?
Right now I'm working at a BPO industry. Yes.
Okay, that explains why your English is good. Are you single ba or are you in a relationship?
I'm single po.
How long have you been single?
Since birth, I guess.
Birth. Oh, since birth. Okay. Okay, no one is like courting you or come here. She's running away from me, guys. She's like going. Okay. No one is courting.
Ano naman po?
What are your names and ages?
I'm Carmela po, 18 years old. I'm Princess po, 18 years old.
Both 18, friends, right?
Yes po.
Okay, so here's the first question. How would you feel about your dad dating a 21-year-old?
Honestly po, I will get mad at him. And maybe, for the girl, maisip ko ang ma-abuse lang po siya. Ganon.
Sorry, what is it?
Um, for the girl po, my opinion for her is maybe she will get abused.
She will get abused by your father?
No po. Nowadays po, ano po kaya? There's so many gold diggers like that po.
So she's like a gold digger for you.
Yes po.
Okay. How about you, Be?
For me po, I would support my father because I want to be him happy po. Yes.
So you're gonna support him.
Po.
So different opinion, right? Interesting. Okay, now for you, Be, would you call her mama?
No po. I would say tita or ate gad.
Okay. Tita, like auntie, or ate, big sister. That's what she's gonna call her, not mama.
Yes po, not mama.
May we know why?
Kasi po, sorry po. Because po, I don't know po.
Because her age is closer to your age.
Yes po, yes po.
Okay, this one. What are three things a man must have to date you? Three things.
Family-oriented po. He have fears to God and maybe lovable. For me po, honest, family-oriented po and respectful po.
What are you studying, Be?
Nursing. Yes po. Nursing po.
Ay, ma'am, excuse me, pwede kang ma-interview? What is your name and age?
I'm Charlotte. 20 years old.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, so here's the first question. How would you feel about your dad dating a 21-year-old?
Oh, it's difficult. I feel angry and disappointed at the same time because 21 years old is like my sister or the same age as mine, so it's not okay to have to it's not okay to meet that my father would date something at that age.
Okay.
No.
So it's not okay. How old is your father?
He is 43 years old now.
What are three things a man must have to date you?
Oh, first, God fearing, family oriented, and know how to respect a woman.
Okay. If you were attracted to an older man who's over 20 years older, would you consider dating him?
It depends. It depends on how he treated, or it depends on the qualities po that I mentioned.
So I'll take that as a yes then.
Yeah.
Are you single, Be?
Yes po.
How long have you been single?
Oh, 4 months.
4 months. And what are you studying?
I'm taking a civil engineering po.
Oh. What year are you now?
Third year.
Third year. Okay, that's very nice. Well, anyway, thank you so much. We really appreciate your honesty. Thank you. Hello, everyone. Hopefully, we earned your subscription. And also, if you want extra videos, please consider becoming a YouTube or Patreon member. Thanks for watching and take care, everyone. Bye-bye.